How do LLM generate different types of text? Answer. Large language models LLM generate different types of text by leveraging their ability to learn patterns and relationships within vast amounts of data. This is achieved through a combination of natural language processing NLP techniques and machine learning algorithms. When an LLM is trained, it is presented with a massive dataset of text, which it uses to learn the underlying structure and patterns of language. This includes learning about grammar, syntax, vocabulary, and the relationships between words and phrases. As the model processes the data, it identifies commonalities and anomalies, and uses this information to generate new text that is similar in style and tone to the training data. To generate different types of text, LLM can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or datasets. For example, an LLM might be trained on a dataset of news articles to generate news-style text, or on a dataset of social media posts to generate social media-style text. This fine-tuning process allows the model to adapt to the specific characteristics and tone of the target text type. In addition to fine-tuning, LLM can also be used to generate text through a process called prompt engineering. This involves providing the model with a specific prompt or topic, and then allowing it to generate text in response. The prompt can be tailored to elicit specific types of text, such as creative writing, technical writing, or even poetry. Despite their ability to generate different types of text, LLM are not without their limitations. One of the main challenges is the risk of bias and inaccuracies in the training data, which can be perpetuated in the generated text. Additionally, LLM can be vulnerable to hallucinations, where they generate text that is not supported by the training data. These limitations highlight the importance of careful training and evaluation of LLM to ensure that they are producing high quality and accurate text. Overall, LLM generate different types of text by leveraging their ability to learn patterns and relationships within vast amounts of data, and by fine-tuning and adapting to specific tasks and datasets. While they are powerful tools, they are not without their limitations and require careful training and evaluation to ensure that they are producing high quality and accurate text.